it is made by split seconds that accumulate up to 1 hour. To have 1 hour, ushuthi 1 hour is very fast. Engisho ukuthi wena lento yenzayo uyiqala ngoJanuary but oyishintshe futhi oyibotha kuyona leyo ezokusiza. Angazi ufuna ukutshela ubani. Oyibotha yona ezokusiza. Today I've got a topic that says unnatural chemicals. Bakithi ake sikhulumele. This is inyanga ngokwe qualification mengiba serious. Ngino grade ngino standard 4 5 6 ngilapho nje. Engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto engiyishoyo please don't take them serious. Because ikona phela ukuthi lento ekuyinga ayizange yavela esikoleni kodwa kwasami ipoverty uyabona ukuthi uthi kubambile ikwenza zonke izinto ezikade uzenze la shame poverty yabanzi abanye abantu. Okay, into engizoyisho la namhlanje, it is so important in a sense that it will be your first time ukuzwa into efana nalena, but all I'm saying is this: if this channel cannot educate you, very few things will now be able to educate you, because lento ukuthi uhamba udlushephisi, that alone it shows that i-background, i-foundation yakho ayinansi insimbi phansi, kunoplastic kuphela ngaphansi. Kunezinto that you're supposed to be knowing very well ukuthi nje ukwazi ukwenza i-CV ungena udlushephisi awukwazi. Even umuntu wesifazane, the way you apply your roach, awukwazi ukwenza apply i-roach uzibuka nge-cellphone. Take time uma ufake i-lipstick ayingagcwalela. Lokho akukodwa kutshengisa ukuthi you got basic information about yourself. What basic information about yourself. This is Babu Dr. Moses Bojabu Family. Lana ngifuna ukukhuluma something that is very very athi ngeke uyithole kwenye channel lento engizoyisho la. I'm breaking about that. Literally this time I'm breaking. There is no way. This channel, it must be a channel yakho as a learning channel, a channel that tells i-reality njengoba injalo. Arsenic sinama product okufuza ukuthi ngabe anama warnings njengo cigarette ukuthi be warned, this product has an arsenic. Arsenic, this is what it causes, like allergy. Abantu abaningi bahlushwa ucinana esifubeni, azathatha isifuthu umntwana omunye ohlushwa i-allergy, kanti ekhaya kune wallpaper. Yabona umulele hotela ene wallpaper, sangathi ngathi mekusubuvula ama window same time. But ngoba ungasithi ngathi ulalela angazi lento ngathini, ngathi